All right, number 10, our last one here. We are given, we want to find the polynomial with the third degree with the given zeros of -3, -1, and 2, and goes to this point 3, 11. Okay, so polynomial with the third degree. First, let's figure out this function. So my zeros are x equals -3, x equals -1, x equals 2. We're going to undo this and move these terms over. So this will give me a term of x plus 3. And then this will give me a term of x plus 1. And this will give me x minus 2. So our function p of x, f of x is this. Sometimes this is multiplied by a factor out front. So we're going to put this a here and figure out what this factor needs to be so that this problem goes through the ordered pair 3, 11. Alright, the way we use this is x is 3, y is 11. We're going to plug that in. So y is 11. This 11 is equal to, instead of x minus 3, we're going to do 3 minus 3. Each x value is going to be substituted for 3. So we have a 3, actually 3 plus 3. And then we have 3 plus 1. And then we have 3 minus 2. So you plug in 3 for the x's, 11 for the y. We're going to solve this out. So we have 11 equals a, and that is 6 times 4 times 1. So this gives me 24a. So I have 11 equals 24a, and then solve for a by dividing by 24. And so we get 11 divided by 24 equals a. Alright, so that's going to be the number out front. It's going to multiply this polynomial. And then the last thing I have to do is just FOIL this together and just put it all together and multiply by 11 over a. Alright, so I'm going to FOIL it first. X plus 3, x plus 1, and then x minus 2. Alright, so I'm going to FOIL the first two. X and x gives me x squared. X and 1 is 1x. And 3x gives me 4x. 3 and 1 gives me 3. Alright, then we're going to multiply that by x minus 2. So I'm going to go all the way down the row with x and then all the way down the row with 2. X cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x, and then minus 2x squared plus or minus 8x minus 6. And then x cubed comes down plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Here's our polynomial. We have to multiply by that factor of a, so 11 over 24. And so 11 on the top, 24 on the bottom. So on the bottom there was nothing, so we'll have all of this is divided by 24, and we'll multiply each of these terms by 11. So we have 11x cubed plus 22x squared minus 55x minus 66. So this is what guarantees that this polynomial goes through that point 311. So we're going to type this in now. So do a fraction bar. I'm going to do 11x raised to the third plus 22x raised to the second minus 55x minus 66, all divided by 24.